Jiangsu Sushang Steel Group Company is established in 2010. As a leading supplier of stainless steel pipe, stainless steel sheet, stainless steel bar, stainless steel coil, and stainless steel profiles, we have more than 10-year export experience in supplying a great variety of customers from different fields. Our annual export volume is more than 300,000 tons. We also sell steel products of major steel mills, including steel plate, alloy steel plate, wear-resistant steel plate, square tube, galvanized tube, non-ferrous metal, and other materials. As a member of China Iron and Steel Association, we established a long-term friendly cooperation with famous domestic mill plants such as Bao Steel, Wu Steel, An Steel, Thai Steel, etc. Our factory have advanced equipment including laser cutting machine, flying shear machine, hairline processing machine, polishing machine, and folding plate machine, and all the equipment just to make sure all the products with high and stable quality condition, SGS testing, and any other third-party testing are welcomed. Our professional team has been working diligently to satisfy an increasing demand of global market. With close cooperation between our experienced factory and professional international sales team, we promise customers reliable quality, on-time delivery, professional service before and after sales service. Sushang does the best to help customers save cost, enhance competitiveness, and make profit. We sincerely welcome you to come our company to negotiate business.